Hello everyone, this is Vivek Singh. Welcome to Slay Mind. I am here to help you with a study plan for CMA Foundation December 2020. So as we all know, we have four subjects. So we are going to study for 10 hours every day. You can add or less hours according to your preparation. So we have four subjects: economics, accounts, maths and law. And we are allocating these 10 hours among these four subjects. You can make it flexible according to you, your strength and your weakness. Here I am distributing this 10 hours according to my experience. So for economics you can give 2.5 hours to 3 hours a day. For accounts you can give 3 hours because it is a practical subject, so you need a lot of practice of sums. For maths you have to give 2.5 hours to 3 hours because again it is a practical subject, you need practice. For law 2 hours is enough because the syllabus of law is less. Now I'm going to discuss how much time we have left. So we have 1.5 months. Yes, we have 1.5 months. You are thinking we have 2.5 months, but we have 1.5 months technically. How? I am going to show you. Look, for September we have half of the month. For October we have a month. For November we have again a month. But we do not consider November. November is for revision. We have to complete our syllabus in September and in October. We should not consider November. For November I will make a further video for detailed revision plan. But in this video we are going to discuss how to utilize this 1.5 month. So let's start. So here I am giving you a rough idea how to allocate time among these four subjects. You can make it flexible according to you, according to your preparation. I used to follow this when I was preparing. Again, you can make your routine flexible according to your strength, your weaknesses, but I highly recommend to start your day morning as possible as, and always start your study with a theory subject. So I took law for 2 hours, then take a break of half hour, and then mathematics for 2.5 hours. Then after 2 or 3 hours you can study economics, again a theory subject, for 2.5 hours, and at the end you can took accounts for 3 hours. In this way you can complete all your four subjects in a day, and hope this video is beneficial to all of you who are going to appear in December 2020. I will back soon with new videos like how to prepare MCQ and subject-wise strategy, so stay connected. And if you have any query you can also follow me on Instagram and ask your question. I will reply. Link in the description, and I am also giving the link of this routine. You can download the PDF of this routine. So thank you for watching and best of luck.